Hello guys, what's up? Today I have a brand new video. Yes, I know it's been months since my last video, but let's face it, I did say I was gonna be doing some videos whenever I had time. I've been moving. As you can see, my backyard's a lot different now. Um, there. Now, if you look at the title, you could be you could probably guess what this video is gonna be about, right? Oh, no, what's going on down there? Yes, my dog gave birth again, but to only one puppy. Only one came into this world. Whereas if this is the second day that it is born, that well, I cannot speak today. This is the second day that it's alive, and I shouldn't probably be calling it because I know it's a boy. Um, yes, it is a boy. As you can see down there, you can probably see a white face. I'll bring it up closer. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see the baby or not. Yeah. I'm gonna be checking in on it daily since last time she wasn't a very good mother. Her first child died by illness. The last two just died because she wouldn't feed them. Yeah. And of course, I got this one, Mr. Papa Dog. Just eating grass. Is addicted to sex. And I know I'm white, but but this episode is not about me. So yeah, I don't know what to say. Also, of course, after a couple months since my last video, if you looked at my room, that was at my last house. Now I'm at a different house. I don't know, if you want a tour of my house, I don't know if you would want to, but if you want a tour of my house, then leave a like and a comment down below. And don't forget to look at the links at the description down below, as I started doing that, because I barely figured out, because I'm a YouTube dude. And bye.